Ford Explorer models from 2020 to 2025 feature sophisticated interior lighting systems with multiple control options. Understanding these controls helps you manage your vehicle's interior lighting effectively. The primary control method is the manual dome light switch located in the overhead console near your rearview mirror. This is your main control point for interior lighting. The dome light switch has three positions: off, door, and on. The off position completely disables automatic door-triggered lighting. Door is the normal setting where lights activate when doors open. On keeps lights constantly illuminated. Each door also has its own courtesy light switch. These individual switches can be manually pressed to override door open detection for that specific door. But this is only a temporary solution. For 2020 and newer models, you can also control interior lights through the Sync infotainment system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Lighting to access these controls. Models from 2023 and later include enhanced features such as ambient lighting controls integrated into the vehicle settings menu, auto-dimming that responds to exterior light conditions, and improved battery management systems. Understanding these control options gives you complete command over your Ford Explorer's interior lighting system. Whether you need basic on-off control or advanced customization through the vehicle's software. The most direct method to disable interior lights is removing the interior light fuse from the passenger compartment fuse box. In most Ford Explorer models, fuse number 27, rated at 10 amperes, controls the dome and courtesy lights. However, removing this fuse will disable all interior lighting functions, not just the dome lights. Now, let's cover troubleshooting when interior lights won't turn off properly. If your interior lights won't turn off, start with these basic checks. Automotive electrical specialists report that 85% of interior light issues stem from faulty door switches, not the lights themselves. For intermittent operation, clean the door switch contacts and check for loose wiring connections. Regular door switch cleaning can prevent 60% of lighting issues. Clean switches every 6 months for optimal performance. For permanent modifications or switch additions, professional installation is recommended to maintain warranty coverage and ensure proper functionality.